Hello Sunflowers, a game for you to play for today. So we're thinking about our sh sound, and today we are going to do a remote control car game. If you have one of these at home, you can have a go and do it yourself. If not, play along with me today. Okay, so we've got some words. All of them have got that sh sound, and I've made an obstacle course around my house with my words. We're going to take our car to the word, and then when we get to the word, we're going to sound it out. So, Ollie, you're going to start us off. Off you go.
Shell.
So we've got our first word here. We've got sh, shell.
If you want to, you have to do a line, dot, then a line.
And what are they called, Ollie?
Okay.
We've got what are the lines, dots and lines called? Can you remember? They're sound buttons. So if your child is finding it hard to read the words as it is, you could always put the sound buttons in. Okay, on to the next word then. Okay, so on to our next word. We'll sound it out together. Fish. Okay, on to the next word. Okay, we shot it. Come back a little bit, tiny bit more. There we go. Now we can read it. We've got shed. Okay, this one here, we've got the word shock. On to the next one. Okay, now we've got the word cash.
What is cash?
Money.
Oh.
We've overshot it a bit there. Brilliant. Next word is bash.
Like in Crash Bash.
Indeed. Off we go to the next word then. Here we go. We're on our next word. We've got ship. Here it is. We've got hush.
What does hush mean?
Be quiet.
Oh.
Okay, on to the next one. Our next word is rush. Rush.
If you don't understand what that means, it's run.
It means to go quickly, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shop.
And our last word is
Shop.
Shop. There you go. Have a go yourself.
Mario Kart.
Enjoy your remote control car.